Minimax Audio is one of those tools that quietly competes with big names like 11 Labs. It focuses on clean, lifelike voices, flexible voice control, and even music generation, all inside one simple interface. While 11 Labs is known for realism, Minimax gives you more creative control with features like voice design, music creation, and isolation, all in one place. In this video, I will walk you through everything Minimax Audio can do and show you how it actually performs in real use. Let's get started. Visit Minimax Audio on your browser, whether mobile or PC. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the message Create Lifelike Audio. This tool allows you to convert text to speech or even create your own music. On the left side panel, you'll find Home, which takes you back to the main page anytime you click on it. Next is Library. This is where all your generated audios, cloned voices, music, and saved projects are stored for easy access. We also have Text-to-Speech, which lets you convert written text into realistic AI-generated voice audio. Then there is Music. This feature allows you to generate original songs using prompts or lyrics. Next is Voice Design, which lets you create a completely new AI voice from a text description. We also have Voice Clone, which allows you to clone your own voice using a short recording. And lastly, Voice Isolation, which helps remove background noise and separate vocals from audio files. We're going to try all of them to experience how they work, starting with the Text-to-Speech feature. This is where you type or paste the text you want to convert into audio. Next, click here to select your preferred model. There are 4 different models available, but I prefer the first one. Now, let me paste the text I will be using. If you enable the long text option, it allows you to paste up to 200,000 characters. The generation may take longer, but the result is usually worth it. Before I forget, to make sure your progress is saved, you should sign in. Click on Sign In at the top right corner, then choose to continue with Google to sign in or sign up for free. Your default language is automatically selected, but you can change it anytime from here. You can find more settings on the left side of the screen. Click here to browse all available voices on the platform. There are many voice types to choose from, so scroll through until you find what fits your project. You can also use the search bar if you already know the voice you need. When you find the voice you need, click Use to select it. Still in the voice selection section, you can click the 3 dots to copy the voice ID for future reference, or bookmark the voice so you can easily find it later under Collected Voices. After selecting the voice, click on Voice Modifier to fine-tune how it sounds. You can adjust controls like deepen, strength, and nasal tone to shape the voice exactly how you want. There are also 4 echo options you can enable depending on your use case. Once done, click Back to Settings. Next, choose the emotion for the voice, such as happy, sad, angry, or natural. If you're unsure, you can leave it on auto. You can also adjust the speed, pitch, and volume. After setting everything, click Generate and wait a few seconds for the result. This is how the result sounds.
Minimax Audio makes voice generation fast, natural, and incredibly flexible. With just a few clicks, you can turn text into clear, human-sounding speech for videos, apps, or presentations. No studio, no microphone, just clean, professional audio every time.
You can hear how clean and realistic the output is. If you want a different variation, click Regenerate. You can also use the like or dislike button to give feedback, and click the download icon to save the audio for any use. Now, let's try a different voice. I will paste a new script that I want to sound like a phone call. This time, I will select a female voice. Under Voice Modifier, I will choose Lofty Telephone, then click Generate.
Hello, thanks for calling. This is a quick message to let you know your request has been received successfully. If you need further assistance, please stay on the line and someone will be with you shortly.
You can hear how the voice sounds like it was recorded from a real phone call. Now, let me generate one last voice before we move on. This time, I will use a voice designed for storytelling. I will leave the other settings as they are and click Generate.
The city never sleeps. Every sound, every moment, every voice matters. In a world driven by technology, clarity isn't optional. It's everything.
You can tell how natural and expressive it sounds. You can also upload documents with text or paste a URL you want converted to audio, then click Create to proceed. Now let's move on to Music Generation feature. Click on Music from the side panel. You can paste a prompt to generate a song and also enter a title. I will title this one Rocks of Hope. Next, select the music model. Currently, there is only one model available, but this may change in the future. Now, I will paste my prompt. You can also click on Lyrics to paste full song lyrics instead. Click on the Settings icon to choose your style. For this demo, I will select Reggae and choose Inspired as the mood. I will leave the scenario empty and click Create. You can increase the quantity to generate multiple versions, but I prefer one result at a time. Now let's listen to the result.
Sunlight breaking through the gray, chasing shadows far away. Every morning a brand new start, rhythm beating in my heart.
The rhythm, vocals, and flow sound surprisingly polished for an AI-generated track. Click here to download the song if you like it. You can bookmark it using the Collect button, share it, or click the three dots to rename, reuse, or delete it. Once bookmarked, the song appears under Collection, allowing you to reuse or download it anytime. Now I will generate another song, this time a romantic blues track. I will clear the previous prompt, paste a new one, title it From the First Word, choose Blues as the style, Romantic as the mood, and click Create. After everything is set, click Create again and wait for the result.
My heart beats just for you now. With every single breath, your gentle touch I crave so, until my very last breath.
That emotional tone really comes through. The song feels warm and expressive. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and leave a comment below. Next, let's try Voice Clone. You can upload a recorded sample of your voice or record directly inside Minimax. When recording for the first time, you'll need to allow microphone access. After that, go ahead and record your voice. Once finished, you can preview the recording or delete it if you're not satisfied. Click here to remove background noise and here to optimize your accent. After that, check the consent box and click Generate. Give it a few seconds to process, then listen to the preview. If you like the result, click Confirm. Enter a name for your voice, choose the gender, and optionally add a description. Then click Save Voice. You will now see the cloned voice under My Voice in the library. Click Use to generate audio with it. Next is voice isolation. Upload an audio file with background noise. This is how the original sounds.
Einstein and they had his brain thin-sectioned in the University of Kansas because they wanted to see what made his brain different from everybody else. And it looked pretty much like everybody else's.
Now click Isolate Voice and wait for the process to finish.
Einstein and they had his brain thin-sectioned in the University of Kansas because they wanted to see what made his brain different from everybody else. And it looked pretty much like everybody.
Most of the background noise is removed, and if you still hear some noise, you can re-upload the result and repeat the process for a cleaner output. The last feature is voice design. Upload a detailed prompt describing the voice you want, including tone, emotion, and use case. Scroll down and click Generate. You will receive 3 different voice outputs. Listen to all of them.
In a world teetering on the brink of chaos, one man dared to stand against the tide.
In a world teetering on the brink of chaos, one man dared to stand against the tide. In a world teetering on the brink of chaos, one man dared to stand against the tide.
Choose the one you like, then click Select Voice. Enter a name, choose the gender, and save it. Whenever you open the Voice section, Library shows all default voices, My Voice shows your custom voices, and Collection contains your bookmarked voices. On the side panel, you will also find API access. This allows developers to integrate Minimax Audio directly into apps, websites, or workflows, making it useful for automation, large-scale voice generation, or custom audio solutions. Minimax Audio brings together voice generation, music creation, cloning, and cleanup tools in one powerful platform. Whether you're creating content, podcasts, videos, or automation projects, this tool gives you a lot of flexibility in one place. If you found this walkthrough helpful, check the link in the description to try Minimax Audio yourself. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below to tell me which feature impressed you the most.